Hello, a very good morning to our lecturer, Madam Norul Asma. Today, I would like to present our assignment for Electrical Machines Section 1. This assignment is titled Energy Harvesting Technologies, and this is my teammate, Abdul Karim Mohammed Salem bin Jabir, Ismail Mohammed Musa Gabir, Faiz Salem Marai Bengamil, and myself, Jimmy Jetro Benjamin Subino. What is energy harvesting? Energy harvesting is transforming of ambient energy that exists on the environment into electrical energy. The most energy harvesting system that is used in the world is solar energy panels, that is from the sun, and wind energy generators, that is wind to kinetic energy, which are become very important alternative energy source for the power grid. It is not causing a bad effect to the environment such as global warming, which is fossil fuels make, and it will not run out since it is taken from environmental resource. Energy harvesting can be renewable energy, defined as energy that comes from natural source, and it can be replenished, for example, like biomass, hydropower, solar, and etc. Non-renewable energy can't be renewed, like the natural gas, uranium, and etc. Types of technologies used in energy harvesting is wind turbine, among the cleanest and most continual way for generating electricity. The principle of wind turbines is opposite of how the fans work. Rather than generating electricity to get wind turbine used to generate electricity. The blades of the turbine are turning by the wind. Then there is a shaft connected to a generator. It will spin and this will make electricity. Types of wind turbine system are horizontal axis, that is the most commonly type that is used in the wind energy system. All the components placed on the top of the tower. There is a shaft that placed horizontally to the ground. When the wind hits the blade, it will be rotating and produce kinetic energy. Secondly, vertical axis. The shaft with the blades are placed in a vertical way on the ground. The main component is placed near to the ground, not like the horizontal where everything is on the top. It comes with two types. There are lift base and drag base. This is the wind turbine. As you can see to the left, it is the design of horizontal axis, and to the right there is vertical axis. Secondly, tidal energy. When the surge of the ocean that come from the rise and falls of the tides occur, the tidal energy is produced. It is one of the most favorable forms of energy, not like the wind. Tides can be predicted and it's more stable. The ways to get the tidal energy are tidal streams. The turbine placed in the tidal stream when the water moves to power turbines. Kinetic energy produced. The tidal stream generators make use of this energy, like the wind turbines that use the wind to power turbine. And secondly, tidal barrage. It uses large dam that is called barrage. By using the barrage, the water will be spilled over the top of the turbine or through it in the dam. It can be built across the rivers or bays. And the third, tidal lagoon. Body of the ocean water that is partly enclosed by a natural or human-made barrier. Tidal lagoons functioning much like a barrage, but tidal can be constructed along the natural coastline. The turbines in tidal lagoons work as it's filling and emptying. This is the line energy. As we can see, these three pictures, they are very different design. And biomass energy, it is about the using of organic materials and convert them to another energy form. It is the most widely form of renewable energy that have been used for centuries. Electrical or mechanical energy can be generated by burning the source of biomass. Biomass comes from a various sources, which includes wood, animal waste, garbage, agricultural residue, sewage, and etc. This is the biomass energy. There is a fiber, there is a consumer, there is such as a cow, and the cow produce waste, and the waste will decomposition and combustion, and electricity produced from the power plant. Okay, now the solar energy. It is the most common, and because it is easily to find and free, and is from the sun, and can be transformed to electrical or thermal energy. Energy that comes from the solar is the most clean and bountiful renewable energy source. Cost-effective, environment-friendly. Once you pay and build a solar system for your house, all the produced electricity will be free of charge. Once it pays itself, normally it takes 5 to 10 years to last. Malaysia have beneficial values in making its solar energy. That is because of the location on the equatorial zone. There are two main systems that is used to harness the solar energy, such as solar thermal system that captures the heat from the sun. This heat can be used directly or transformed to mechanical energy and turn into electricity. And secondly, photovoltaic solar system, or called it PV, consists of one solar panel or more than one, and it has a connection with an inverter and some mechanical and electrical hardware that is directly make use of energy that comes from the sun to generate electric power. A PV system can come with different size, from small or portable to a huge utility scale generation plant. This how the solar work. See the sun, the solar panels converts to electricity. A control device change this electricity, enabling to power the electrical items. Then the electricity then pass through the breaker box, the outlets in the building. This is the inverter, and it can be consumed, such as like the lamp or refrigerator, TV. Type of PV system. PV systems are classified based on their functional and its requirement to operate. The component configuration and how connected is their equipment to other power source. PV systems are divided to three classification. That is grid connected. There are systems that are connected to an electricity grid. The main components are grid inverter, which convert DC to AC voltage, and energy meters. And secondly, standalone, or you can call it off-grid system that does not use grid. It has supported battery to supplement the load that is needed during the night hours, or if solar radiation is not available. PV standalone systems are used when there is no electric grid or the cost of connect it to grid the very high. Hybrid PV system can be standalone or grid connected, but it has at least one more source and other than the PV. This is the electrical circuit model, and this is the simulation of the PV system. Role of the Malaysian government toward the solar energy. As we know, in 2005, the Malaysian government produced a project called Malaysia Building Integrated Photovoltaic Technology, or MBIPV. And the project has completed in 2011. The total budget for this project was around USD 25 million. And the Ministry of Energy has implemented two 100 kilowatt power demonstration PV project back in 1995, which is construct in Marak, Perak, Sabah. As in conclusion, energy harvesting technology become very important to Malaysian and the other world in general. The Malaysian government is making a lot of effort for the energy technologies, especially the solar energy system. The Malaysian government have made policies on renewable energy, and there is a law and regulation has been planned, economic strategies and technical research have been made. That is all for today. Thank you.